Hello everyone, it is Sunday, November 13th, 2022. Going to do a mid-month update on the swing projections that I put out for the ES daily bar at the beginning of the month. I had stated here I was looking for a low November 2nd. We got the actual low one day later on November 3rd. We got a significant swing low there. I had projected a high for the 9th and 10th. The minor high actually came in a day early on the 8th. And we had a low on the 9th. And then we zoomed up and we're getting pulled upward. You see the three cycles that I have marked in up here where my cursor's at now, my crosshair. This cycle on top is what's pulling us up. That's pulling us up to the 14th, it looks like, which will be tomorrow. Actually, it was capped on the 11th, but that pressure's carrying over. So we may have seen that high Friday, and now we're going to be going down. All three cycles are bottoming. The cycle's the 15th, the center one is the 16th, and the lower one is the 17th. So I'm taking the 16th, the average of those three, to be the next low. So we're probably going to be looking at possibly making a new high Monday, and then we should reverse down into Wednesday and get into a low on the 16th. I'll take a look at the Astro Excel for that, see what that looks like. And then we'll be heading up, and then we'll stick with those other dates for now to see what happens. But this is the first time I've made a forecast using these three cycles, so I kind of want to track, see how it's working out. But so far, pretty good. Here's the Astro Excel 30-minute chart for the week ahead. You can see we've got this upward pressure continuing, and it peaks out tomorrow night around 2100 on the green line, right about the plus 10 level here. And then it's rolling down through the 15th, and it bottoms out on the 16th, which is in sync with the forecast that I just gave you on the daily swing chart cycle. That bottoms out early in the morning, about 5:10, and then we're gradually pushing upward. It's kind of a sideways move then from all the way through Wednesday through Thursday, and it picks up a little momentum as we get into the 18th on Friday, and that's trending up pretty strong. It breaks above the plus 10 line and actually pushes up to the plus 30 line as we get into the close on Friday. So we've got strong momentum on Friday, but this will give you a pretty good indication of what we're looking at. The key spikes, blue line peaks tomorrow at 5:30. Significant spike peak down at 12:35 on the 15th. Kind of flat bouncing around Wednesday in there. Spike bottom 18:45 on the 16th. It's possible that downward pressure could carry through the day. It doesn't mean it's going to bottom out here at 5:30. It could carry on and not move up until after this blue line spike low is in. It's just something to consider. Then we've got an important peak here at about 2 a.m. on the 17th. We make a little double spike low at 18:30 and 19:30 on the 17th, and then we make the final blue line spike high of the week at 3 a.m. on Friday the 18th, and then we're just kind of bouncing around the zero line after that. So there you go, update on the swing date forecast and the Astro Excel intraday forecast for the week, which seems to be confirming the daily swing forecast at this point.